Hello everybody and welcome back to Warrior Cats. So this is how to do the small text glitch on mobile. So first thing you want to do is write out your bio. So once you have something like this or whatever your bio is going to be, all you need to do is go into parts of it and click this and this. And then undo it. There you go. And then you just need to copy it. Load into Roblox. Once you've loaded in, click play. And go finish. I don't know why my cat is naked right now. There we go. You just trot away. Then all you need to do is click this, this, it tagged it. Hold on. So you just need to click your thing, go all the way back and paste. It should look like this after you're done, but mine hates me and wants to tag it. Is it this? Is that the word I don't like? There we go, and that's how you do the small text. Obviously it could be something smaller as well, but this does not work for your name. It doesn't work for your name, but you can sometimes do it like this, but it doesn't always work. Yeah. You can sometimes just keep putting tab and eventually it will throw it down to the bottom, but it doesn't always work on mobile. And doing the same thing with, so once you've got that, obviously you can't actually do it like this. It doesn't work for the name tag for some reason, but you can do it for this if it didn't tag. Not that strong thing. It doesn't like the tests. I think I spelt that wrong anyway. There we go. But yeah, this is how you do the small text bio. And if you liked, a like would be very much appreciated. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I mostly reply to every single one of my comments, depending on how old the video is. But if you did like, a like would be very much appreciated, and subscribe for more. Bye!